Welcome. If you've ever scrolled through Facebook and realized everything's showing up in the wrong language, don't worry, changing it back is quick and easy. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to change your language on Facebook, step by step, using the latest version of the app. First, open the Facebook app on your phone or tablet. Once you're on the main screen, look toward the bottom or top right corner, depending on your device, and tap the menu icon. It looks like 3 horizontal lines, also known as the menu or hamburger icon. This opens up all your main options. Next, scroll down until you find the section called Settings and Privacy. Tap on it, and a new list of options will appear. From there, choose Language. This is where all your language preferences are managed. Once you open the language settings, you'll see a full list of available languages. Facebook supports dozens of them, from English and Spanish to Arabic, French, and many more, so you can easily pick the one that feels most comfortable to you. Simply tap on your preferred language, and Facebook will automatically switch everything over. The menu labels, buttons, and posts will start showing up in the new language right away. There's no need to restart the app or log out. It updates instantly, making it super convenient. If you ever change your mind or move to another country, you can repeat the same steps to update your language again. It only takes a few taps to make Facebook display exactly how you want it. And that's it. You've successfully changed your language on Facebook. Whether you're personalizing your experience or just experimenting with different settings, this easy process ensures you always feel right at home on your feed. If this quick tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and share it with someone who might need it. And remember, there's always a way to make technology fit your style, one setting at a time.